Hi, continuing my project with the light-dependent resistors, I have now hooked two light-dependent resistors up to the Arduino. It's the same essential circuit that we're using with the transistors, but this time all the code is going and all the switching is being done through the Arduino. Okay, so we have two light-dependent resistors. Which are hooked to power and another resistor. These are 5K resistors that seem to work best with a resistor. And then both of those are going to analog in pins. I'm reading those analog in pins with this right here. This is some code that will read the analog in and then send it to serial. Okay, so I could just read the input values on the serial, on the Arduino, but I wanted to send that and use it in a sketch in processing. So what I've done is I've take two values from these and then I subtract one from the other. So if I get a negative number, I always know that the LDR1 is darker. Then I can use that single number that I take and bring it over here in processing. And bring it over in processing, you can see that I have processing has its own serial library. And so what I do, I read the serial, I read the information that's coming in, and I use that to control this dot, as you can see. So this would be like one of the Bratenberg vehicles, in which this one has two eyes, and the eye that's darker, if it's dark, it will go toward the lightest one, and you cover up one, it will go up and down. So this is a sort of control mechanism for that. There's some difficulty. You must really clean the data when you're sending it to the to processing from the Arduino. It comes in as a string, and it also has a carriage return on it. So you have to take that out. I had a long time trying to get to it. There's some problems. I mean, it could be this is much smoother. This is just a test, but in differences in light and things like that, you can mess with the math and probably get something a little bit better. But that's it for using light dependent resistors. And we have some Arduino, we have the Arduino sketch, and we also have a processing sketch. So we're doing some work like that. All right.